Last page of lesson 8.9 on page 358. Let's think smarter with number 5. Before lunchtime, Abigail and Teresa each read some pages from different books. Abigail read 5, so she read 5 pages, which is the same as 1/5 of her book. Teresa read 6 pages, which is 1/6 of her book. All right, whose book had more pages and how many more pages? This one for me was a little tricky at first. I had to think, okay, so if Abigail read 5 pages and that is 1/5, then I know she's got 5 kind of equal groups, right? And each group had 5, if I'm using my diagramming. So I know that Abigail, her book had 25 pages, right? 5 times 5 is 25. Now let's say the 6 here for Teresa, she had 6 groups, and each group had 6 pages. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So Teresa had 36 pages in her book. Yes? Now it says, whose book had more pages? So Teresa had more pages, and I need to do 36 minus 25. 11. 11 more pages. Yes? All right. Now, there's my workspace for question number 5. I like to sometimes put the problem number, so if I want to go back to it, or if your teacher wants to go back to it and see your thinking, you can do that. All right, number 6. 6 friends share 5 meat pies. Each friend first eats half of a meat pie. How much more meat pie does each friend need to eat to finish all the meat pies and share them equally? Draw a quick picture to solve, or draw a diagram. All right, so we know there are 5 meat pies, right? And there are 6 friends. So here's 5 pies, right? And first, each friend eats 1/2. So friend 1 eats a half, friend 2 eats a half, friend 3 eats a half, friend 4 eats a half, friend 5 eats a half, and friend 6 eats a half. They each get a half. But now there's 2 pies left, and they have to share it 6 ways because there's 6 friends. So I need these 2 pies to turn out having 6 pieces, right? So they can each get one of the pieces. Ooh, so 3 and 3. Could I have 3 pieces from this pie and 3 pieces from this pie? That would be 6 total pieces, right? So let's try to break these as evenly as possible into 6 pieces. There we go. Now friend 1 can have this piece, friend 2 can have this piece, friend 3 can have that piece, friend 4 can have that piece, friend 5 gets this piece, and friend 6 gets this piece, right? So they each get a 1/2 piece. But then the question, if I go back, how much more meat pie does each friend need to eat to finish all the meat pies? Well, this was broken into 1/3 pieces, right? And each friend took one of those 3 pieces. So each gets 1/3 of a pie more. All right? Or you could say, look, there's 6 pieces. If you look at both of them together, and you could say that if there's 6 pieces, they could each get, let's stick with 1/3. That makes most sense to me, right? They got one of the 3 pieces from each pie because they were talking about this as 1/2 of this pie. Okay, sorry. Here we go. Let's look at number 7. All right. Number 7 says, Braden bought 4 packs of dog treats. He gave 4 treats, not 4 packs, but 4 individual treats to his neighbor's dog. Now Braden has 24 treats left for his dog. How many treats were in each pack? First, we need to know how many total treats, right? Did he start with? He started with, he still has the 24 treats, but he also gave away 4. So he started with 28 treats total, right? So he has 28 treats, and they were broken into 4 packs. So I could, here, I'll draw them in a different color so they stand out a little. If he has 4 packs, 1 pack, 2 packs, 3 packs, 4 packs, and I know he's got 28 total, 28, I'm thinking 28 divided by 4 equals, or I'm thinking 4 times something equals 28. Well, let's count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's how we roll our 4s. 28. We got to 28, so I'm going to stop. And now how many times did we count by 4 to get to 28? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 times 7 is 28. 28 broken into 4 equal groups would be 7 in each group. And the question said, how many dog treats were in each pack? So I ran out of space, but I solved it. 7 in each pack. Right? First, we had to figure out how many total individual treats he had. So we had to add that 4 he gave away back to the 24 that he had. Then we took that 28 and had to break it evenly into 4 groups. Multiplication helped me because division sometimes is a little much. So I always think of what is that missing factor. All right. And the last one, I think hopefully should be easy peasy for you. It says 2 hats are 1/3 of the group. You can see the 2 hats are 1 part of the 3 equal groups. How many hats are in the whole group? Well, if there's 2 here, you're going to have 2 here, and you're going to have 2 here. How many total hats? Bump, ba, bump, bump, bump. 2, 4, 6 hats. Awesome. Great mathing today. Oh, is that a word? No, probably not. All right. Great job, you guys.